Hey, stop scrolling! Are you trying to grow your YouTube channel but feeling stuck? You're posting long-form videos, spending hours editing and getting... what? A handful of views? It's frustrating, I know. But what if I told you there's a secret weapon? A fast track to getting your first 1,000, 10,000, even 100,000 subscribers. And that secret is YouTube Shorts. Now, hold on, I know what you're thinking. I've tried posting shorts. It doesn't work. And you might be right. Just posting random short clips won't get you anywhere. The real secret isn't just using shorts. It's about understanding how YouTube wants you to use them. See, YouTube is in a massive battle with TikTok and Instagram Reels for your attention. To win, they are pushing shorts like crazy. The algorithm is practically begging for good short-form content. So what does the algorithm want? It's a simple two-part formula, a strong hook and a high retention rate. That's it. That's the core of the whole game. Your number one job in the first 3 seconds is to stop the scroll. Forget long, slow intros. You need to hit them with a question, a bold statement, a shocking visual, or a promise of a solution. Something that makes them think, wait, what's this? Once you've hooked them, you have to keep them. This is viewer retention. If people watch your 30-second video for an average of 25 seconds, that's an incredible retention rate. YouTube sees that and thinks, wow, people love this video. Let's show it to 1 million more people. So, how do you do that? Fast-paced editing. Quick cuts. Captions on the screen so people can watch without sound. Use trending audio, but don't just point at text bubbles. Add your own unique value. Tell a story, share a surprising fact, or give a quick, powerful tutorial. Make every single second count. No fluff. Now, for the part that ties it all together, how to go viral and actually grow. A viral short is great, but it's useless if those viewers don't stick around. Here's the strategy. Create shorts that act as trailers for your long-form content. For example, if you have a 10-minute video on the 5 best budget laptops, create a 30-second short on the Yabara One budget laptop no one is talking about. In the short, you reveal the laptop and say, for the other 4 and my full review, check out the full video linked in the comments and my channel. You use the viral potential of shorts to drive traffic to your main videos, where you can build a real community and monetize. So, to recap, stop the scroll with a killer hook, keep them watching with tight editing, and use your shorts as a bridge to your longer content. Don't just post shorts, have a strategy. Now stop watching this, go out there and start creating. Your audience is waiting.